Good afternoon. My name is Alexis, and my environmental health project is about the Cape Wind Energy Project. This project, they are trying to substitute regular energy from fossil fuels with wind to produce energy. This would include having a wind-powered electrical generating facility within Horseshoe Shoal in Nantasket Sound, Massachusetts. It wants to see how an energy project will be able to benefit in Nantasket. Within this project, there was several pros in regards to this project for the environmental impact. These include most fundamental physical characteristics upon potential sites for wind energy products are elevated are wind conditions and water depth. There was other pros about this project, but it wasn't always like specifically written. It more so talked about the cons. So the cons that was related to this project are not generating pollution or hazard waste. It does not Also, there's concerns with the seafloor analysis and the final environmental impact statement, also called the EFIS. There is not an adequate geological survey of the Bureau of Ocean Energy Management that cannot say it is unsure that the seawater will be able to support the wind turbines. As well as environmental impact, there also is health impacts. So these impacts include the wind turbines, reducing the amount of electrical generation from fossil fuels results in lower total air pollution and carbon dioxide. Another health impact is having wind-powered electrical generating facilities has a noise. So high noise and pressure volumes of audible noise and infrasounds have been associated with learning, sleep, and cognitive disruption, as well as stress and anxiety. So they have been trying to figure out ways to try to not cause that much noise. Also, another health impact is that that since the blades are so strong and they're going around so persuasively, they can also kill different species that are living in the environment. One of the contact people that I had for this project was Michelle. She was telling me that when I was talking to her that there wasn't people that was originally did the Cape Wind energy project are not currently working there. So when I was interviewing her, she kind of gave me some broad general answers, which I still think was extremely helpful. I'm just gonna say a couple of questions that I asked her. So one of the questions that I asked was, how did you determine the best way to keep the energy producing, since wind powered systems are typically intermittent? She said the Department of Energy states offshore winds are typically stronger during the day, allowing for a more stable and efficient production of energy when consumed demand is at peak. Most base wind resources are stronger at night when electricity demands are lower, which I thought was really interesting because I thought that the demand would be primarily at night. Another question that I asked her, I was just asking her about the health impacts of having wind-powered electrically generated facilities. And she like I said earlier, we're just talking about the noises that it comes with that. But yeah, this is my project for the Cape Wind Energy project. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a message. Take care.